Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious kimchi using cabbage. First, select a large head of Napa cabbage, quarter it, and remove the tough core. Next, you'll brine the cabbage with about 1 cup of coarse sea salt. Let it sit for 2 to 3 hours, turning it every 30 minutes to ensure even salting. This step is crucial for texture. Finally, rinse the cabbage 3 times under cold water to remove excess salt. Now let's create the flavorful kimchi paste. Begin by making a thin glutinous rice porridge with 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 1 cup of water. Then blend 1 head of garlic, a 1-inch piece of ginger, and 1 small onion until smooth. Combine this mixture with 1 cup of Korean chili flakes, 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. This paste is the heart of your kimchi. With your paste ready, it's time to mix. Always wear gloves to protect your hands from the chili. Take each cabbage leaf and thoroughly coat it with the vibrant kimchi paste, ensuring every part is covered. Once all the cabbage is coated, pack it very tightly into an airtight container, pressing down to remove air pockets. Let it ferment at room temperature for 1 to 5 days, tasting periodically to achieve your desired tanginess. Once your kimchi has reached its desired fermentation, transfer it to the refrigerator. This slows down the fermentation process significantly. Properly stored, your homemade kimchi can last for several months in the fridge, with its flavors deepening and becoming more complex over time. Enjoy this delicious, probiotic-rich food as a side dish with almost any meal, or incorporate it into stir-fries, stews, and pancakes for an extra kick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.